Hi there, students. To carry over. So something could carry over from one situation into the next situation. So if it carries over, it's allowed to affect the next situation. So he's been having problems at work, but he must try to make sure that he doesn't carry that over into his private life. Yeah, so to carry over, to continue to be applicable to a future situation. So unfortunately, in the last meeting we weren't able to deal with all the business, and there are still one or two things that are carried over from last time. The business made a small profit last year, and this profit is carried over to this year. So it's something that continues to apply to a future situation. Okay, so there was violence in the south of the city, and this started to carry over into other industrial areas. You could use carry over to say that to postpone something until a later time. So we're going to have to postpone this lesson. Could we carry it over until Monday? Yeah, or could we carry over the last item on the schedule till next month? To carry over, to keep goods that are unsold from one season to the next season. Okay, so yeah, we've got a lot of swimming trunks left over after the summer. We could carry those over to next year and start marketing them in April. Okay, in accounting, to carry something over, to take it from one column to the next column or to the next page. Yeah, to carry forward as well. I think carry forward is very common in this. So the amount carries over onto the next page. Yeah. So to continue to last until another time. I hope their enthusiasm will carry over until the end of the year at least. So to carry over, to extend into another time period. I've paid part of this bill, and I'd like to carry the rest over to next month. Yeah. Or maybe if you're writing your essay, try not to let your essay carry over the maximum number of words. I guess you could also use carry over just to lift something and carry it to another place. But normally this carry over, to defer to another time, to persist to another time, to go forward into the future, to transport something or transfer to a later time. If you can't pay the rent now, you can carry it over to July. Yeah, you can transfer it to a later point in time. Okay, so to carry over, to extend beyond the original idea. Yeah, to to extend beyond what was originally planned. The good financial situation in the country is now carrying over into the mood of the people, and it's making people very, very happy. So it's gone from its original area of influence to carry over. So to carry forward from one place to the next. Let's see. Carry it over. Definitely. A separable phrasal verb. Formality. This is going to carry over. I think 4.5 informality. Use informally, use semi-formally in a conversation and semi-formal writing, but not in something very formal. And I guess over, from the past to the future. It's being carried over. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Carry over.